So what we're going to do today is build another wall this way and cap the top off for the doorway. And then we got to find a window in our supply of windows, and I want to put a window back there.
Okay, in the back by the fence.
Yeah.
Yeah. What about a door? What are you going to do about that?
We'll have to make up a door for it.
Oh, okay.
Just a simple door. It's not going to be very complicated.
So it's going to be a pallet door?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I think so.
Oh, yeah. Is that another oak one?
Yeah, there's quite a few. Like most of the pallets have a really good hardwood. Well, they have a hardwood stringer because they're so strong.
Mm-hmm.
But
So how long are the ones going along the sill?
4 foot.
And how long are your uprights there, your verticals?
Well, these ones are 24 and a bit. So we're just going to make a little wall here, and because these are all different lengths or different thicknesses, you know, the top plate is different than the bottom plate.
Mm-hmm.
You know, vice versa. So you put the two top and bottom plates that you're going to use, then you measure from here to the top of this,
Right.
and that'll give you the total distance we need for. So they'll match up at the top.
Oh, okay.
So hopefully, if I've done things right, this should be about the same height here.
Okay.
Okay.
Yep.
Oak.
Yeah. It's a heavy wood too, isn't it?
Oh yeah. I can't use any of these uprights oak.
Mm.
Like I can use these oak,
Mm-hmm.
but these here I just can't.
It's a case of trying to get through 2 layers of oak.
Yeah. Just like you use a softwood piece here,
Mm-hmm.
then you're fine. Cheaper to use these than screws.
I suppose. But you do have a subscriber that wants to donate you some, so.
I know. I appreciate that.
Is it like a challenge now? You have to use the nails.
Well, it's just
Use what you got, yeah. I get you. I'm only teasing.
you gotta get in a truck and go uptown and get some. At least about 2 hours, 3 hours of work time when you got this stuff already here.
True. Guess you don't need my foot now.
Keep it steady though.
All right.
Now you can use the heavy stuff. 'Cause
Yeah.
you're gonna drill through it.
Right.
Well, I'm hoping you can do it.
Right.
Let's see what happens here. I wonder how long the GoPro takes to.
How long are those nails?
I don't know.
Look like 3 inches easy.
Well, that's what you use. You have to use like a 3.5 inch screw or
Yeah.
it's 3.5.
Yeah, there you are.
But that's what you need when you're framing.
I suppose.
You
Yeah.
make sure it goes in there.
All the way in, yeah.
Yeah. See how this works.
Alrighty.
Good.
So is it going to come back this way?
I'm gonna hold on. Sorry.
I can. Okay. There with the drill.
10 o'clock's good.
Yeah.
10 o'clock is good.
So what was wrong with the other one?
Well, it's a soft one.
Oh,
I want to use the soft one for the verticals.
okay.
These oak we can use for the bottom plates because we're droning anyways.
Well, that's true. You put them on. Yeah. The windows are frozen in, are they? Still with the snow? All right.